If you are trying to clean your shower, in my opinion, it's very difficult to do without some sort of scrub brush to really get in between the crevices and get the grout and get that hard baked on iron orangey stuff and the mildew and stuff. So I just keep one of these in my shower at all times, and I bought these, one, because I like the green, honestly, and because they are very reasonably priced for a 2-pack. I just keep one of these in my shower. About 10 or 15 minutes before I shower, I just spray a cleaner onto the shower itself, and then when I take a shower, I have one of these inside of there. I can just scrub the shower for like a minute or two while I'm in there. I'm always looking for reasons to stay in the hot water anyway. It just makes it easy for me to keep up on my shower cleaning duties. It also has a handle so that you can clip it over the side of a bucket if you want to do that to keep it from falling inside of a wet soapy bucket. But these things are great. These things work for me. These things allow me to keep up on my cleaning duties in a much simpler way. And there's lots of different versions of these. These are just ones that I buy and that I use and that I would definitely recommend.